cannot stop. Thank you! You guys cannot see a thing, but it's literally pitch dark out here. There's kitchen. They're starting again. Woo! I think that was the last of them. Nope. Oh, you didn't really see that one. That was at the front. I think the fire. I don't think they're ever going to stop. It's so warm.
Wait, I hope you don't want to go to sleep tonight because you're not going to.
Because what's happening right here?
Burn! Burn!
That scared me so much. You're really Christmas.
Wait, it's not ash, it's this.
There's so much. See? It's literally not stopping.
Landing now.
They're not popping anymore. Oh, they're so annoying ones. Sorry for the very bad quality. It's night time.
In case you couldn't tell already, headphone warning.
He's hiding behind the bin.
I'm loving this. I'm a
That's our back fence to the pole.
I just took cardboard to the eye.
Sean, there's thousands. And if you guys are wondering, we did not set these off. And it's just random people. Whoa. Beware for a bang. Sean, tell the people how long the fireworks have been going for.
About half an hour now.
No, not these exact ones. There's been fireworks going on since like 4:30.
5:30.
And now it's like 8:30.
Because I was playing MW3 and then I heard a bang and I thought
Yeah.
something broke. People are wondering why the global pollution is a your answer. I think we've stopped now. Touch wood.
Guys, we think they've stopped. So, yeah.
I think we're safe to go now.
No!
Never mind! Boom!
Bang!
Oh! I think I hit a there it is again! Another seagull!
What did I miss?
Seagulls are dying.
We're sorry, seagulls.
Just wait, you'll just and then fuck seagull.
Whoa, your flashes.
I'm safe.
That is so cool. It flashes forever. No, actually, I think the fire stopped burning. No, I think a flame just started on the fire.
Boom! Hell yeah, that was cool.
So,
2, 3.
there's 3. So guys, I think it stopped. But there's still fireworks going on, but we can't see them. So,
Well, I was.
oh, another. And another. Whoa.
Keep your
So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you later. Goodbye.